365 challenge. So, I officially finished the 365 daily photos challenge this 2023. So, bakit ko nga ba siya sinimulan at ginawa? Binili ko yung camera ko way back December 31, 2021, as in New Year's Eve. Pinuntahan ko siya, naipag-meet up ako with a guy. This is a second-hand camera, the one I'm using, this one, Canon M50. And matagal ko ng pangarap magkaroon ng sariling camera. Kasi every time that I need one to use for gig, may shoot, may client, ganyan. And syempre, for the ministry sa church, usually nanghihiram lang ako kung kani-kanino, sa friends. Talagang struggle all throughout. It's been like more than 5 years na ganun. Nanghihiram lang ako, pati lens, ganyan, everything. Every piece of equipment, hinihiram ko lang. And that's why na-push ako back then, New Year's Eve, to really buy this camera. Kasi sabi ko, I want something of my own to use para mas makapag-practice ako, mas ma-develop yung skill ko, and kumbaga, ma-utilize ko na talaga yung natutunan ko into a sideline para na extra money. Yan. Pero, ang nangyari ng 2022, nakatambak lang yung camera ko. Nagagamit ko lang siya kapag may client, which is back then, sobrang dalang. Siyempre, well, 2022, medyo nag-a-adjust pa tayong lahat from the pandemic. We haven't gotten back that routine, that really, siyempre, sense of community with people. Ang hirap siyempre. We're still in the process of coming back from the pandemic. And sobrang hirap din na i-force yung sarili mo to really pursue your passion. But yun, andun yung camera, nakatambak. That's what drove me nung by the end of 2022 to really decide na I need to do something. I need to force myself, to discipline myself, to commit to something. I don't remember particularly kung kanino ko nakuha yung idea na 365 days challenge. I think it's Peter McKinnon. So nakuha ko yung idea na yun, and dun ko napagdesisyonan na gawin yung 365 challenge. And ito siya. Ito yung naging resulta, and sobrang hirap nung naging journey because 365 days is not easy to really do something, to commit something. Siyempre, kailangan ng discipline, kailangan ng commitment talaga. Mahirap kasi siyempre maubusan ka ng idea, ano yung pipicturean mo, ano yung subject. First few months pa lang, naubusan na ako, ano ba yung pipicturean ko? Nakakaubos ng creativity, but in a sense, force ka din to really explore. Especially, na-force niya ako to really go out, mag-explore, na-try ko mag-hike for the first time. Na-try ko pumunta ng museum by my own for first time. Ang dami kong napuntahan na lugar last year, noong 2023, nang dahil dun sa challenge. Napuntahan ko sila for the sake of taking pictures and really exploring new things. Try ko mag-build ng sarili kong Gundam, ng kung ano-ano, kumbaga, na pag-open up siya sa akin ng mga new hobbies. And syempre, to go back dun sa mga dati ko pang ginagawa. And really just expanded my horizon, met new people. Kahit sobrang busy, syempre, noong 2023 nagkaroon na ng mga clients. Bumalik na yung mga usual na schedule. So, nagkaroon na ng mga clients, mga events, weddings, ganyan. And syempre, kapag ganun, pag may ganung mga pangyayari, abutin ka ng gabi talaga, midnight, madaling araw. So, I resorted na gagamitin ko yung phone ko to really edit the picture. Buti na lang may feature yung Canon to transfer the files sa phone. Then, dun ko na i-edit sa Lightroom. And then, post ko na diretso. Sobrang daming natutunan when it comes to taking the pictures itself. And especially then sa editing. And sa mga concepts, sa mga angles, sa mga type of shots. Na-try ko mag-landscape, na-try ko mag-product shoot, kung ano-ano. Lahat halos. Though may mga hindi pa ako na-try. And I'm planning to explore that this year. Siyempre, hindi ko na ulitin yung 365 days challenge kasi ang hirap. Mauubusan ka talaga ng ideas, ng ng kung ano yung pipicture mo, kung ano yung subject mo. Like, as in, I'm telling you, like, for a few months, mahirap talaga din. And then, may mga times pa na, syempre, you're not feeling good, you're not feeling well. So, ma-force ka kung ano yung picture mo. Maubusan ka na ng pipicture kung ano yung nasa loob ng bahay. Lalo na nung time na nagkasakit ako, I think that's October, November. Like, bedridden talaga, ganun. I had to quarantine myself, hindi ako nakakalabas. So, talagang, ano yung pipicture ko dito, anong mga objects pa yung pwede kong picturean, or kahit kung ano-ano na lang talaga. And, dun ko natutunan yung commitment talaga din ng discipline to really commit. Hindi, nag-commit ako on this challenge and I would do it. I would see it to the end. So yun, that's the story of 365 challenge so far. And for this year, for 2024, again, sabi ko nga, hindi ko na uulitin yung 365 days challenge. But here's what I'm going to do. This video would be a part of is the 12 months challenge, which is one video per month. Iba't ibang type ng video yon. Pwedeng may mga pare-paras, may vlog type or anything. So, bahala na kung anong ideas yung lalabas. But, gagawin ko is one video per month. And this video, this specific vlog would be the first one and the first entry for that, for January. And I hope makasama ko din kayo sa journey na to. Actually, may kasabay ako nung 365 days challenge. Si Philip, shout out kay Philip. Pero hindi niya natuloy, hindi natapos kasi sobrang busy niya. Well, ngayong 2024, meron ding nag-start. Yan, kay Monde. Well, it's 366 days since it's a leap year. So, good luck, brother, sa challenge. I hope you can finish it strong. And again, sana ma-inspire kayo to do this challenge. Oy, si Quiz M din pala nag-start ng 365 photos this year. So, I hope ma-inspire kayo to start, maybe not this year, kasi mayroon na humabol, but next year. And maybe yung 12 months challenge then ma-try nyo since may time pa para humabol this year. Like 12 videos, 12 months, one video per month. I hope ma-try nyo siya. And one purpose of this is to really develop yung skill, yung commitment, yung dedication, yung passion, ma-reignite, kumbaga. Makatuto ka ng mga iba't ibang techniques and styles into shooting, photos or videos man yan. Maybe you have an idea of a challenge yourself, pwede mo i-share yan in the comments or message me. Yan. So, yun lang guys. Again, thank you and I hope makita ko rin yung mga outputs nyo. Yun lang. Bye!